together with fun details and lots of bright colors. First, start by drawing a horizontal rectangle. This will be the computer screen. You can draw the corners of the screen slightly rounded to create a soft and modern feel. After that, draw a smaller rectangle inside the screen to create a border for the computer screen. This border will make the computer look more solid and stand out. Draw 2 small circles as sparkling eyes for the computer. Draw a gentle curve to form a bright smile.
Wow!
Right below the screen, draw a horizontal rectangle. This is the computer keyboard. This keyboard can be drawn just enough to the width of the screen to create balance for the computer. Then, draw the small keys on the keyboard. You can divide the keyboard into horizontal rows, with each row containing many small keys. Remember to draw the keys with small squares or rectangles to look like a real keyboard. Let's color the computer in a stylish way. I will color the eyes black first.
Wow!
The mouth will be colored bright red. Create 2 cute pink cheeks for the computer. Eyebrows are colored blue. The screen will be colored light blue.
Wow!
The computer border will be colored bright yellow to stand out. The keyboard border is colored pink to add cuteness.
Wow!
The keyboard inside will be colored bright yellow. The key buttons will be colored in many colors, such as pink, red, green, blue, gray, and yellow, to create a vibrant and vivid palette. So, we have finished drawing the cute computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting drawing videos.